Do you have big cows in a little barn? So when you have a big cows in a little barn, what you run into is you don't have enough room for your fan, because fans really help keeping the cows cool, dried off. It just makes your life so much easier. This is our most powerful low profile fan. This fan you can put between 4-foot wood mount truss. The truss can be right here. The blades come right here. It's a design we invented to run your blades up to within 9 inches of the truss. You can see it up in here. Low profile allows you to have the blades right up against the truss, 9 inches away, and that way you have more room for your skid loader and the animals below. The biggest problem with the fans is hitting it with your skid loader or when you're cleaning out.
You just don't want to hit it.
This allows you to go almost up against the trusses. You need an open ceiling, but as long as you have an open ceiling, you can put this in a 10-foot ceiling, something where conventionally you could never get away with. So because you have it so close to the ceiling, it leaves plenty of room for your animals and your skid loaders underneath it. If you like this video, hit subscribe and give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.